Example 4. Determine the value of m. Solution. Expanding the formula for the nth term, we get, by inspection, we can infer that this is a geometric series where r is equal to half. Applying the formula for geometric series, we can calculate the sum of the series to 44 terms. Substituting the values, we get S44 equals 2 to the power 44 minus 1 all over 2 to the power 41. Thus, we have determined the sum to 44 terms of the series given by the sigma notation.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.